Oh, where they go, My Chemical Romance Superior are rising up by the Rally's Moonraker, Mike's Dancer, down on the inside is Dugus, Pride, JSA, Hot Gossip, a Burn, Executive Order, Golation, Port Last, Third Last, Slab Koto, Final Judgment, and Lavi is running in 13th. My Chemical Romance by about 3 lengths, followed by Superior Arc in second. Down on the inside, then here comes 11A. Hot Gossip taking the second spot. JST racing in P by about 3 lengths. Executive Order Dugus Pride as they race the last 450. My Chemical Romance. Hot Gossip racing on the outside in between runners Mike Dancer, Superior Arc, Hot Gossip now the leader, followed by My Chemical Man, Mike Dancer, and JST. And finally, the lady jockey, Annalyn Reloto on Hot JST. My Chemical Romance, Mike Dancer took fourth, close, Lavi and Dugus Pride.